ama children.
Vibes. You will come here, you in Kenya.
What? What? Yeah, what do you love about Finally, I'm in Little Mogadishu here in Kenya, Africa. You know, we have two Little Mogadishu. We have two Mogadishu. Actually, one is in Somalia, the other one is Kenya. So guys, I will explore these streets and I want to know why is it called Little Mogadishu. So guys, follow me as we also learn why is this place known as Little Mogadishu. And if you're watching this video for the first time, make sure you like, you subscribe, take me to 10,000 subscribers. Claudia Walks. So follow me. We have to wait until this vehicle passes. Oh, I don't want to risk. I love myself now. And guys, one thing you should know that I'm in Eastleigh. Eastleigh is known as Little Mogadishu here in Kenya. And one thing I know about it is because it's full of Somali people and it's a commercial hub. This place is full of Somali people. I don't know, they don't like the cameras, but I will try to interact with some so that we can get to know why it's called Little Mogadishu. Watching this video and you have not subscribed, I don't know what you are waiting for. Yes, so still exploring these streets. And guys, I'm with John Wambua TV. Actually, he is exploring too. John Wambua TV, say hi.
Hello people, this is John Wambua TV.
Yeah.
Kindly subscribe to Claudia Walks. Watch all our videos and give her a thumbs up. Keep on supporting her.
Also subscribe to John Wambua TV. He has an amazing content. Actually, he is road to 5,000 subscribers. So make sure you support him. Give him that full support, you know. I decided to take him to Eastleigh too. It's legal, taking a subscriber to the streets.
Yes.
And actually, he will let us know what is the experience about these streets. Actually, they are beautiful streets, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, let's go. Hey. Hi bro, you are good. What's your name?
Oti.
You want to say hi to my fans?
This camera.
We are, yes, camera, we are on YouTube. Remove the mask and say hi to my fans. You stay around?
Not so much close, I'm a bit far.
You're a bit far. Okay, I had people say that this place is called Little Mogadishu. Why is it called Eastleigh Little Mogadishu? Why do they call it Little Mogadishu?
I think it's because we have plenty of people coming from around that region of Northeast town. They dwell here. So that's why they call it so.
Little Mogadishu.
Yeah, there are plenty of Waria here.
Oh, Waria people, the Somali people, right? Is it your first time being here?
Oh, frequently here daily.
You do this?
Okay, the whole of this happening.
Oh, you operate around here?
Yeah, you come here.
Oh, that's amazing. Yeah. I'm Claudia Walks.
Claudia
Walks. On YouTube, yes.
Wow.
Yes, we are on YouTube, Claudia Walks, TikTok, Claudia Walks, Instagram, Claudia Walks.
So how are you going to do with this after this?
After this?
Broadcasting?
Yes, I will put it on, I will hear it on my YouTube channel.
Popularize OT, okay?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Oti.
Thank you.
Nice.
Sawa, sawa.
Oti is a vibe.
Oti is a vibe. He's at work actually. He operates in this, along this, what do you call it? This street. Yes. Hi. How are you? Can I say hi to you? Okay. Okay, let's keep on walking, guys. Wow. Beautiful piece of Eastleigh. Beautiful piece of Eastleigh. Yay! Hi! And you look good. Say hi to my fans. Banana shtuka. Wasalimie kidogo.
Hey, mambo.
Actually, guys, I don't know how to ride a bike. I'll try today. I will ride this bike today. Anyway. Anyway, what's your name? Derek. Okay, I can see you. I got a yeah. So, okay, it's not my first time being here in Eastleigh. Actually, you have been seeing me around. Yeah, they know me. It's not like the first time they are seeing me. Okay, I just want to know why Eastleigh is known as Little Mogadishu. Mbona inaitwa Little Mogadishu? Ongea Kiswahili haina shida. Wambie, ujui kwa nini? Oh my God. Nani anajua mbona inaitwa Little Mogadishu? Why Eastleigh is known as Little Mogadishu? Nini unajua kuhusu Eastleigh?
Iko na mawaria wengi.
Oh, it has a lot of warrior people. Those are the Somali people.
So ndio maana like Mogadishu ndio.
Oh, that's why it's called Little Mogadishu. Talk about business in Eastleigh.
Refugees too much. Refugees too much Eastleigh. Refugees too much Eastleigh, my friend.
Nini ingine? Hebu tuambie biashara ya hapa Eastleigh iko aje? Tell us about business. How is it here in Eastleigh?
Biashara ni ngumu na si vile.
It's hard.
Lakini tunapata tu ya kukula.
Okay, what's making it hard? Nini inaifanya ikuwe ngumu? Nini inafanya biashara ya huku ikuwe ngumu?
Ruto bwana.
Bwanga. It's because of what? The government. All what?
Zakayo bwana hivi vitu.
Who is Zakayo? Who is Zakayo? People don't know. Maybe it's Zakayo. Those are watching my video.
No.
Okay, sawa. Rokai. Wanna say hi to my fans? Why now? Make money. Okay, let's keep on walking as we want to know why Eastleigh is known as Little Mogadishu. I know how. Eastleigh inaitwa Little Mogadishu.
Wewe Msomali?
Mimi ni Mkamba.
Wewe Mkamba?
Yes, I'm a Kamba.
Seriously. 100 dada.
Nesa?
Umedako Kitui. Umedako Kaba.
Kitui Mwinge.
Auto jui Mwinge ni mwingi. Si Mkamba. Kama ni Mwinge.
Bogi.
Yes, Bogi anaitwa Bogi.
Bogi sasa.
Huyo ndio chamani wa stage.
Huyu ndio chamani wa stage. Ndio unakaa fiti. Chamani wa stage unakaa fiti. Si nipigwe picha moja na wewe. Mbona?
Wewe ni chamani.
Mbona wewe ni chamani? Chamani niko wacha tupige picha na simu yangu. Tukapa na chama. Chairman, no Eastleigh. I'm in Eastleigh. I'm just trying to walk around. Thank you so much. Actually, today I'm interacting with people. People around are making fun.
Chairman.
Hey, Chairman is looking good. Chairman,
Huyu jamaa kuja tuambie
wasalimie kidogo.
Oya, explain.
Akuja
Huyu jamaa explain venye anaishi Eastleigh na ana job hivi na anakula na
anakaa vizuri, you look good.
Patia huyu. Kwa poa lakini nawaona. Ndio friend yangu.
Kujeni.
Combine bado kulia. Vijana wa area bado.
They are the Gen Zs of the area.
Zote.
What does Gen Zs mean, by the way?
I don't know, but tell you, this is my friend.
Today, me, I'm Claudia Walks, pale kwa YouTube, TikTok, Claudia Walks, Instagram, Claudia Walks. And today, I'm exploring the streets of Eastleigh. I just want to know why Eastleigh is called Little Mogadishu. Little Mogadishu.
Mogadishu is Somalia is too much. Mogadishu is Somalia is
You don't know about Mogadishu. Aya, ambia wenye wanawatch video kitu basi.
Wenye wanawatch video msubscribe YouTube ya madam tafadhali.
Yes, subscribe guys, subscribe.
Tafadhali, huyu mrembo ni wetu tunataka bando wa grow tumeona.
I'm their girl, you know.
Ama tunafanya ile ngoma sambe.
Hebu tuimbe hiyo kitu.
Ama tufinish kumali.
Anguka nayo. Tuanguke nayo.
Omlege.
Hebu tuanguke nayo. Anguka nayo.
Anguka nayo.
Sawa. So guys, let's keep on working, man. You should come to Eastleigh and experience this. Aya, Sandani. Aya, tomorrow I'll come. Hey. Oh my God. Yes.
Yeah.
That's how we go.
Yes. That's how we roll.
People love me here.
In the streets of Eastleigh.
Yes. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at this cute guy. Bro, how are you? Fiti. Hey, nishikia hii. Unakaa vizuri. Nichukue picha na wewe. Oh. Niko fiti. Introduce yourself there.
I'm Barros.
Okay, what do you normally do here in Eastleigh?
In Eastleigh? I'm a conductor.
You are a conductor? Okay, this is his car. He's a conductor. Nitakusaidia leo kufanya kazi, si ndio?
And you what do?
Mimi nafanya hii. Tuko pale YouTube, naitwa Claudia Walks.
TikTok pia Claudia Walks.
TikTok Claudia Walks ila wali. Sasa hebu tuambie why Eastleigh is known as Little Mogadishu?
Little Mogadishu.
Mbona Eastleigh inaitwa Little Mogadishu?
Because sasa hao Somali washa dominate.
Oh, Somali people have dominated this place.
Yeah. They are more than Kenyans.
Oh, they are more than Kenyans. Can you estimate the population of the Somali people here in Eastleigh?
In Eastleigh. Tunaweza ile kama sasa hatuwezi sema tu wajafika tu bado, si ndio? Lakini wana raise hapo 1.5.
1.5. Yeah. Oh, that's a large number.
High population.
It's high populated actually. I can see people, those who have been following me, those who have been watching my videos, you can see it's full of people, Somali people. But anyway, we love them. They are vibe also.
Friends. Here they are, our guys there. You see?
Yes, we have our Somali friends there. Anyway, on to the other side. Do you love music?
I love music.
Which kind of music do you love?
Gengeton, Nabaton, reggae, Marasta.
Anguka nalo.
Hapo kwa reggae. Hapo kwa reggae.
Hapo kwa reggae tuonyeshe kamoja. Hapo kwa reggae tuonyeshe kamoja tu.
Kamoja tu.
Yuko hapa tusaidiane.
Hata kama ni old boss.
Yes.
Hata kama ni old boss.
Nayo bro.
Unaweza kupigia gani?
Kamoja tu kenye unapenda tu.
Poor people's land.
Tuendelee sasa.
Ama acha nimpigie akibebe
hiyo sasa.
Mnadi similo. Tusiende sana. Fall in love.
Fall in love. Anyway, do you love Vybz Kartel?
I love Vybz Kartel. He's the teacher.
He is the teacher. Yeah, world boss. What?
What?
Yeah, what do you love about Vybz
Kartel?
He's the teacher.
Teacher, world boss.
Okay, what makes you love him? What makes you love Vybz Kartel?
He's a producer, songwriter. Music, I'm an instrumental player. He does everything by himself.
He does everything.
King of the Dancehall.
King of the Dancehall. The world boss.
Yeah. People know Vybz Kartel.
People know Vybz Kartel. World boss.
One message to Vybz Kartel. One message to him.
Vybz Kartel, we are waiting for you.
Kenyan people.
We are waiting for you.
It's okay. Thank you so much. Pande kwa YouTube, Claudia Walks.
Nini ndapitia ndani, si ndio nda drop.
Sawa. Thank you. Come follow me. Unataka kuwasalimia kidogo?
Mimi wajendi fanye job.
Tunaheshimu hiyo. Tunaheshimu hiyo.
Mko hapa.
This is Eastleigh, guys. And Eastleigh is never busy, guys. You can see a lot of motorcycle, vans, matatus, ganyas. So let's keep on walking around. Look at that, man. Sasa kofiti
Sami.
Let's keep on walking, man. This is Eastleigh. This is beauty of Eastleigh. So let me know what you think about Eastleigh. Why is it called Little Mogadishu? You can still let us know in the comments. Hi. Kofiti. Nataka kuwasalimia kidogo. Ukuje wasalimie. Wasalimie uambie wewe ni nani, unafanyanga nini huku Eastleigh?
Okay, mimi naitwa Robert.
Wacha tusimame hapa na wewe pia. Waambie.
Mimi naitwa Robert. Kwa hapa Eastleigh mimi ni kadere.
Wewe ni dere.
Mimi ni dere.
You normally give us smooth rides,
Okay. Nimefurahi kuona.
Tafadhali dereva baadaye. Wacha tulete hii gari isonge mbele kwanza.
Ni sawa sawa, haina shida.
Wacha gari inasonga mbele.
Kuna mwenzangu hapa manager.
Tunaongeaje siko baya. Wasalimie.
Wasalimie kidogo. Ngoja waweke hiyo gari pande ile.
Acha waone ngani. Ni manyanga. Hii manyanga.
Hii manyanga.
Hii manyanga.
Come say hi to them with Somali. We have Somalis here watching.
Yes.
We have Somali people watching this. Come say hi.
Naongea Kisomali.
Ongea Somali.
Niseme nini sasa?
Wasalimie hi my people.
Siyotin beandin haladina ka warami ko sawa.
Kabisa bro, iko sawa.
Karibuni Batia Lake, sindio?
Sawa sawa, asante. So tuko hapa kwako, jina yako?
Mimi naitwa Geoffrey. Manager wa Eastleigh.
Manager today. Okay, you are the manager of this stage, right? How do you feel it? How do you feel being a manager in this stage?
In the case of who? One. Who's number one? Makaderi. Wengi. One ni zidi. Nini wewe kucheka.
Okay.
Mafuta imepanda.
The price of fuel is high.
Wenyewe wanataka pesa.
The owner wants
kamera banacho kwa bila kando.
Wachana na yeye.
Oria kwa sawa huyu. Hapo sawa.
Bila kando bana kwa
Acha kwa
sawa. Hapo vibe ameflow nayo.
Niambie unasikiaje? Mafuta imepanda, the price of fuel is so high.
Makateli ndio wengi hapa.
Makateli they are many.
Rafu zako nayo imepanda bei.
Okay. Nimepata Eastleigh inaitwa Little Mogadishu. Mbona inaitwa Little Mogadishu? Why Eastleigh is known as Little Mogadishu?
Oya, weka hivi mara moja kamera. Sasa imeitwa hivyo. Hapa kala kama tukala. Mkenya. Mkenya ajuangi Eastleigh.
Mkenya ajuangi Eastleigh. Anajua nini?
Ajuanga Eastleigh.
Waria ndo wanajua Eastleigh. Waria people, the Somali people, they are the ones who normally know Eastleigh. Why? Mbona?
Wakenya wajuangi Eastleigh. Angalia huyu. Azueke kamera.
Tumemwangalia na macho. Hatujaangalia na kamera.
Kuna Mkenya hapa. Kamera tumelugu.
In this street there is no Kenya. Kenya, they are Kenyans but
Arabu hawa watu hawatumia akili. Hawa Kenya hawa Kenya hapa nyone ngumu. Hawatumia akili. Arabu hawa watu walitoka nje. Wenyewe imagine walikuwa karibu wamfungwa kazi.
Yes, I can see there are Somali people who have opened business around this route. These streets right now. Yeah, so it's because of the Somali people. That's why it's called Little Mogadishu.
No, kuna Kenya hapo hiyo.
Sawa sawa. Hebu tuambie kuhusu biashara huku. How is the business? Yeah.
Hapa inakuanga na rules number 1.
Rules number 1.
Hawa na usanga wa kuchuana.
Okay.
Karibuni hapo sawa. Yore ngwe gere kulizo huko. Arabu na tubu hivi. Kama anato.
Poa.
Anatorao.
Haya sawa.
Number 1 ni huyo na point kwani si.
Anyway, sawa, thank you so much.
Agende sawa. Mama,
pale kwa YouTube.
Biashara inaendelea.
Aria karibisha watu kwa biashara.
Karibisha watu kwa biashara.
Karibisha watu.
Kwanza wakuja kupromote.
Soda ya. Kuja ongea. Kwa sababu umetoja weka hapo.
You are selling deras.
Ndio hiyo.
Atakataa najua.
Endeni watu wasusuko mbili.
Sawa. This is Claudia. What? There are my guys here. Let me, if I can see my friends. My friends are not here. Where are they? My friend is here. My friend is here. Look at my friend here. Look at my friend here. My friend. Peter Sana, how are you? How have you been? Acha nikae hapa. He's my guy. Claudia. Yeah, you can see he's calling me. Yes, Claudia was. Anyway, come back.
You're back. Welcome.
Thank you. Okay, today we are talking about Vibes Cartel.
Vibes Cartel akiachiliwa akishikwa ulikuwa plus.
Oh my God, me I don't know. I'm not fan of music. I think I was not even born. You know, I'm a children.
How many years has Vibes Cartel been in prison? 13 years.
From 2013 to 2013.
11 years.
11 years in prison.
2013.
Even I don't know.
Are you aware that Vibes Cartel is free right now?
I know.
One message to him.
One message to him.
Talk to Vibes Cartel.
Vibes.
Imagine he was watching. We are live.
One message for Vibes.
Yes.
Talk to him on the camera, straight to the camera.
Vibes. You will come here, you in Kenya right now. Yeah.
They are waiting for him in Kenya.
Yeah, we are waiting for you.
Haya, tumpatie kamoja kasafi kake, aone tunakumbuka. Tumpatie kake kasafi pale, aone tunakumbuka. Kenya tu unataka.
Kenya nataka.
Kenya tu unataka.
Summertime.
Summertime, guys. People love summertime. Anyway, twende.
Anzia.
Nitakusaidia.